ʻAʻano. ʻAʻano are a classification of vocabulary words along with kikino, hamani, and hehele. Let's review. Kikino are words that have a kino, a body or form. In English, we call these nouns, person, place, or thing. For example, ka moa, nā moa keiki, a me ka hale moa. Note that all kikino are preceded by ka'i, like ka and nā. Hamani are transitive verbs, which means these are actions that you do to something. For example, hapai, ame puliki. Hehele are words that hele or convey a sense of movement or sound. In English, we call these intransitive verbs. For example, hele, ame pio. A'ano are words that convey the ano, the nature or character of something. In English, we call these passive or stative verbs. For example, mele mele o pio pio. If you ever need help deciding on what a word is, you can always look in our Hawaiian dictionary. Let's look at the entries for kani. In the first entry, kani is defined as a sound and to cry out, to name a few of the definitions. We can also see the abbreviation NVI. N refers to noun. A sound or noise of any kind is a kikino. VI refers to intransitive verb. To cry out is a hehele. Let's look at the next entry. The next entry is a VS, a stative verb. Strong and hard is an ʻAʻano. Finally, entry number 3. This entry is VT, a transitive verb. To drink is a hamani. Now let's focus on ʻAʻano. ʻAʻano can be used in any pepeke, but you have to make sure your sentence is a passive sentence, like in my loa'a video in my Hawaiian 201 playlist. Let's check out some examples. Today is hot because of the sun. Vela keiala ikala. When using ʻAʻano, the object that is causing the action is marked by I or ya. Use I with kikino. Use ya with names and papani or pronouns. For example, we refer to the sun as kane hoalani in chants. I could also say, today is hot because of kane hoalani. Vela keiala ya kane hoalani. Note that even though the English is because of the sun or because of kane hoalani, in Hawaiian we will always use I or ya to mark who or what is causing the ʻAʻano, in this case, the vela of the day. Let's look at another example. The wave took his surfboard. In this context, the word for take is lilo, which is an ʻAʻano. However, this sentence is an active sentence, so our first step is to tweak this into a passive sentence. His surfboard was taken by the wave. Now we can translate the sentence with the ʻAʻano lilo. Ua lilo kona papa heʻenalu I ka nalu. Let's look at the ave. The wave is what caused the action, so we use I or ya to mark it. English does not matter when using ʻAʻano. I could have said, his surfboard was taken by the wave, because of the wave, from the wave, due to the wave, but the Hawaiian translation will still be I ka nalu.